Yo, what's up guys? We're back again. And kung naalala nyo nung nakarang episode natin, nag-guitar tutorial tayo.
Tutorial.
Yes. Nag-guitar tutorial tayo. Kaya naman meron kaming device dito na tinatawag naming
Looper.
Ulit-ulitan.
AKA the looper.
Ulit-ulitan. Tama yun.
Sige.
The looper.
Sabi
And,
niya.
The looper is a big world. Can you explain to them what...
So basically, well, yung pinaka-basic na function niya would be to loop or record over what you, like a track. So pwede siyang multiple na tracks recorded over, so.
Hello, 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 hello. Aside from that, meron siyang ibang mga features like this one I'm using over here is female to male. So if you're a female like me who wants to sound like a male like John Roa, this is what you use. Hello. And then you can use other features like double down if you want to sound like a little monsterish or whatever, ganun. Meron loop, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong. So yung nagpiping pong, yung. And then auto-tune radio. Auto-tune radio. Ikaw magaling sa ganyan, gawin mo nga.
Yeah! Ish.
As man then rock,
Gorgeous Hall, if you want to feel like you're in a gorgeous hall.
The reverb.
Yes. And then Pop Trio. I use this for like yung mga I Love You Always Forever. Feels like I'm standing in a timeless trance of enlightenment with pale amber rose. Yung mga ganun na moments sa performance. Or megaphone. And that's all for today, guys. Then marami pa siyang mga features, but that's some of my favorites.
Sample!
Na?
Sorry, sabi ko ako. I'm not so hyper.
Okay.
Sample.
boom. Ba-da-da-ba-ba-da-da-ba-da-da-boom. 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 Ba-da-da-ba-ba-da-da-ba-da-da-boom.
Phone starts ringing, don't even need to look, I know who I'll be seeing. And my heart skips a beat, don't know why, but my heart skips a beat, yeah. You say that you miss me, you say you can't go on living without me. You say so many things, but when will you ever mean anything, baby? Caught between this dilemma now, I know what I should do, cause you my darling, I beg, but I wanna be bad, I wanna be bad with you, baby. For tonight, I don't care if you're bad, cause I wanna be bad, I don't care if you're bad for me, baby. For tonight, I don't care, let's be bad. So something like that.
Lama. Tigil na ako, pagiging singer eh. Boss! So yun po guys, guys, yun po ang Looper and sinample na ni Marion Honor
Yep.
how to do a Looper. If you want to try it out, just look it up. YouTube, Google, lahat. Sobrang sarap niya aralin and I want to learn more about this.
Go! Yeah, it's
This-
super fun.
Yeah, it's super fun. You can make fun with your voice. Once again, guys, this is the Looper and this is Marion Honor.
Bye!
Ano ba ang mga gusto mo pa na ma-achieve or ma-discover?
Well, I wanna keep writing for myself and for other artists din. Yung mga, mga big artists talaga, masulatan ganun. And then, sana syempre magka-shows na mga huge, mga Kia Theater, Araneta, mga ganun, and touring it around the world kahit sa mga Filipino communities in other countries or something. And then, of course, I also wanna delve into movies if I can actually do the acting part of
You're
it.
doing acting workshop right now.
Yeah, I'm doing acting workshop right now, so we'll see if I have a future in acting too.
Like other artists then who are dreaming of having their own songs. Message mo sa kanila.
Well, if you're going to choose this career for yourself, you have to be really dedicated and passionate and patient. Kasi
And consistent.
inconsistent, lahat na ng mga adjectives or mga ganun. Be very resilient. Ayun, go lang ng go and you have to para mag-commit ka talaga because it comes with a lot of heartache even if yung merong mga achievements na ganyan. It can be fleeting. It's not all like parang glamorous and all of that. It really comes with a lot of hard work. So if you're gonna go for it, ayun, kailangan maging ready ka sa mga sacrifices na ganun. But yung payoff naman sobrang ganda.
Be courageous.
Okay na.
Alright guys, we are down to the last part of this episode. Again, maraming salamat for sticking with us. And of course, maraming salamat Marion Honor
Thank
for
you so
joining
much.
me.
Thank you
and
for having me.
Our kajammers. And because this episode is so fun and so special, and they both know us as the Hugoters.
The Hugoters.
Or
Yun na ba
people-
band name natin? The Hugoters.
The Hugoters.
Duo
Pwede
na
nga.
tayo.
And we both have songs that are hugot. Of course, her song Akala.
Akala.
And my song Ox Lang. Basically, my song Ox Lang is about letting someone go because parang hindi na
Ox.
ox eh.
Pero Ox lang sa'yo.
Ang akala, ano ba yung...
Akala mo siya nang binigay pero hindi pala. But then, in the end, parang if they need to go, then
Ganun.
Ox lang din ako.
Kung akala mo siya na yung binigay,
Yeah.
pero hindi pala. Pero ganun talaga eh. So, kailangan mo maging okay. Ganun. Eh, pinapatawa lang namin yun kasi yung song na to medyo dalawang nag-combine eh.
Yup.
Dalawang mahapdi eh. The song is a mashup of Akala and Ox Lang. Hope you guys like this.
Di ko napansin na lumalayo ka na sa akin. Wala akong kamalay-malay. Bigla mong binanggit na kailangan mo munang umalis. Dahil gulong-gulo sa buhay.
Nagbago na lahat sa'yo. Nagbago na lahat, pitiin tayo. Nagbago ng iyong tingin, ang iyong ngiti, ang iyong nararamdaman. Akala ko ikaw nang binigay. Akala ko ikaw na. Akala ko ikaw na. Akala ko hindi nasasablay. Akala ko ikaw na. Akala ko ikaw na.
na to patungo. Di ko na kasi alam, hinahanap ang sagot sa bakit. Hindi ko na kasi alam, hindi ka na nakikinig, hindi ka na kinikilig, hindi ka na natutuwa pag may pasalubong ako na isa. At dahang nawala ng kulay ang aking mundo, at kay bilis naglaho ng mga pangakong nanggaling sa'yo, na habang buhay ikaw at ako yakapin mo ako, kahit hindi na totoo. Maiintindihan naman kita kung sawa ka na, kung saan ka sasaya, huwag kang mag-alala. Kung gustong okay lang walang magagawa, huwag kang mag-alala. Kung gustong okay lang walang magagawa, kakayanin mag-isa. Kung gustong okay lang ako, basta kiling ka lang, huwag ako masaya. Kung gustong okay lang ako, dito lang ako. Akala ko ikaw na, akala ko ikaw na, akala ko hindi nasasanay. Akala ko ikaw na, akala ko ikaw na, akala ko ikaw na, akala ko okay lang ako.
Alright guys, that's it for today. Once again, Marion Honor, everybody. Palagpakan natin si Marion Honor, guys. Ate?
Thanks, guys. Thank you so
Where
much.
can we find you?
You can find me on Twitter and Instagram at Marion Honor, and meron ako Facebook page, facebook.com/Marion Honor Official, and you can check out my website too, marionhonor.com.
Once again, this is John Rowan, this is Marion Honor, and this is Jam with John!